Hello, this is my bike check. It's a pretty nice day outside, it's an alright day outside today, so I figured I'd make one. Alright, I'll start in the back. I have a Animal GOH tire on a stolen Roulette matte blue 9-tooth cassette. And I have a Shadow Conspiracy Crank and Bones 25-tooth sprocket. Just a KMC chain. I have my stock cranks, haven't really bought any new ones yet. Animal Hamilton PC pedal is light blue, or like clear blue. I have a DC, or a DK seat. An Animal seat clamp. And my Haro frame. Up here to my Animal jump off stem. And then Fit Salt Lake bars, painted blue, which I haven't really done all the painting yet to them. It's like the first coat. Then I have the Animal Edwin De La Rosa grips. These grips are alright. I mean, I've only used them for like probably 3-4 months, and I mean, they're already like worn down a lot, but they're comfortable at first. Then I have Odyssey Taking tire with Eastern rim. I don't really know what kind. And then I just have stock Haro forks. It's pretty good. It's around like 24 pounds, I guess. I don't know. I like it. It's comfortable, perfect for my style of riding. Yeah, that's my bike check.